entrepreneur who have already started your project, or you have a brilliant and great idea that within you want to start it? Are you an activist? Are you an artist? Or you're somebody that you love change and you want to touch your community? Today, I'm bringing for you a grant that is between $1,000 to $10,000 US, which is absolutely free. There is nothing that they're going to ask you to bring in return. No interest and there are no collaterals. What you need to do, you need to follow this video till the end. We're bringing for you a grant that has seen thousands of people within year and year in and year out getting funding from this project. This project is called Pollination Project Grant. And how can you get it? You're going to know how to get it as we move forward. So let's continue and see how to get pollination grant. And before that, we need to know what exactly is pollination project grant. The pollination project grant is one of the most accessible and impactful grants available right now. I told you this grant is 365 days. It has no any day that is a deadline. Every day is a grant day. So wherever you are, station yourself and make sure you can get this grant. It starts from $1,000 to $10,000 to the individuals who are making a positive difference in their community and beyond. What even more amazing in that is that this grant is available, I've told you, every day. It is there today, it is there tomorrow, it is there no next day. It has no deadline, it has no rush. You can do it at your own convenience. Let's dive in. This grant is perfect for those who are passionate about social change, environmental sustainability, or community building. It does not matter where you are in the world. It is everywhere. This grant, really, I love it so much. It sweetens me. It's not like other grants that we always bring, whereby you find the locality, the location is a problem. It is limiting you. No. Wherever you are in this world, you can access it. So what I want you to do, I want you to station yourself. Wait till the end of this video. You are going to know how to apply for this fund. You're going to know what are the best practices. You're going to know how much you need. You're going to know what can you do and what are the do's and the don'ts. So if you have gotten any great idea that can make an impact, the Pollination Project wants to help you out by giving you $1,000, by giving you $2,000, up to $10,000. So let's now continue and see how much money can you actually get. Exact how much money can you actually get in this pollination grant. But before that, before we dig deep down into this, let's welcome all our royal viewers. Please, thank you very much. God bless you so much for having been here. You are always on our screen. We are always on your screen. Thanks for allowing us, and above all, thanks for making us. As you know, Immaculate Show, we are into dispensing love. And how do we dispense love? We dispense love by making sure that at least wherever you are, whether you're a job seeker, whether you're already at work, whether you're a stay mom home, you can have a financial freedom mindset. You can have access to something that you need to have by having some money in your banks. By doing this, we bring for you projects, we bring for you apps, and bring for you a different things, how to grow your social media platforms and you earn money. So this is exactly how we dispense love, and we tell you the money, the success is within you and around you. Let's dive in now and we see how much money can you get from this grant, the Pollination Project Grant. The Pollination Project Grant offers the funding that starts from $1,000 and can go up to $10,000. But this one, it depends on the scope of your potential impact of your project. This isn't a loan, by the way. As I've been telling you, I always tell you that a grant or a fund can be given by the government, can be given by the individuals or by organization, and at the same time it can go extra. It can be for projects, it can be for home use, it can be for school fees and different things. But this one, it is for projects and for exactly what you are supposed to do. It is a grant, which means that you don't have to pay it back. It's not a loan, guys. This is why I say this is a right thing for you. This money can be used to cover up startup costs, materials, marketing, and essentials that will help you bring your vision to life. I always tell you guys, you can have an idea, but an idea will not be effective provided it is not yet in its real initial stages. And initial stages is when you can start implementation. So over the years, according to the website and according to the testimonials we've got, the Pollination Project has funded a wide variety of projects from small grass initiative to large-scale endeavors. No matter the size of your project, there is a good chance you could receive support you need from here. When we talk about that, I know you're going to ask, how do we apply? Please, let's dive in back. Please wait till the end of this video, because every part of this video is very, very essential. Now let's talk about how you can apply. You can apply for this incredible opportunity, this fund. The application process is straightforward. It is not going to disturb you, and it can be done entirely online. You're not going to send emails, you're not going to calls, you're not going to do anything. The only thing, you're going to follow this video and you go to the website and see how they do it. Here, what you need to do, you have to dive into to your browser you need, then you visit Pollination Project website. How do you visit Pollination Project website? What you do, go to your browser, put the word Pollination Project. It is going to bring you a search interface, and when it brings you a search interface, you'll be taken to a different phase. As you can see on our screen, the Pollination Project, the first phase looks like this. There is about us, there is blog impact, apply for funding, donate. It empowers visionary change makers with social funding, global transformation. If you want to join them, you can go there, and it gives you a highlight on what every day the grant they are giving. They are giving around 1,000 every day, and it has gotten change makers around 5,500, without forgetting the countries where it has already crossed around 120 countries, of which these countries, most of our countries are there. So when you reach here, you're going to see the impact, the first interface, how it looks like this. They're going to show you the blogs and other things. What you need to do, you need to go to apply for funding. Come here to apply for funding. When you reach and apply for funding, press on daily grants. The daily grants, as we already told you, it is going to show you apply for funding, and it's going to show you for your own information the things you need to know. Then it is going to also show you apply today. When you click there, it will take you somewhere that you need to start doing your application. When you click on this one, it is going to bring another interface, and this interface is for your own good, because you need to know how it is. The grant application process is in 3. One, they will tell you about qualifying information, they will tell you about how to complete your application, and they also tell you about application review. So do not skip anything, just to read for your own information, such that you can know what you need to do. Then when you finish from there, you scroll down and it will tell you the next step is to apply for this TPP, that is the Pollination Project project. So here it will be giving you guidelines on what applicants should be doing and what they should not do. And it will also tell you about how much money you should be doing, like you should not exceed, and what the project should be having. Continue down, then again you click on another step, whereby it will show you something else. Then after that, continue clicking there until you reach the last one. The last one is going to show you apply now. But before you do apply, it will going also to make sure that you understand it deep. There are questions that you would have asked me or asked anybody, and you don't have anybody to answer them, but they will be here. So you read the questions and understand. From there, you go to application. That's how you can access application. For application, you have to first create your account. For you to create an account, it's going to ask you only necessary data about you, like email address and a password. The moment you finish creating your account, you will dive in and start your normal application. It is a bit straightforward, but another person is going to say it is a bit long. No, they need you to understand before you run, because most of us, when we hear there is a grant, we run to application of the grant before knowing exactly what is there. So here it is. We have already finished how the application is, but be sure that your application should be a bit detailed. Be sure to be as detailed and clear as possible when you are applying for this. The more specific you are in the impact the impact your project will have on the community and the surroundings, the better your chances of getting approved. So step have filled out the form, submit it for review. Since the pollination project is available all year round, you don't have to worry about meeting a specific deadline. Every day new grants are awarded, so you could be just days away from receiving the funding you need. As I showed you before, that it is in 3 stages. Can I give you the few tips about the successful application? One, what you need to do, you need to focus on impact of your project towards the community, towards the people. Then the second, you need to focus on authentic, let your passion shine through your application. The grant reviewers are looking for genuine projects driven by real people who want to make a difference. And when you have a passion, indeed it will speak through what you do, through what you write. Then finally, be patient. While the grants are awarded daily, it might take a little time to hear from them to write back to you. I recently received a message when someone said I sent a message in one grant, they have not replied me. They will reply you when you qualify, and also if it takes long, then you know you have not qualified. Your dedication and effort could pay off in real big time. You guys, we have successful stories. I'll be putting them here. You can see them here to inspire you even further. Let's take a look at some real successful stories. These are the people just like you and me who applied for the Pollination Project grant and received the funding. They need to make their dreams in reality. So I don't see why you should not apply for this. The only thing is, most of us, we don't believe in this. And when we hear someone has gotten it, the only question we'll be asking, did you get it? Did you get it? What I want you to do, I want you to take a step and do application. Isn't it very beautiful? Look at these stories. You can check them on our interface on top. These stories are proof that with the right idea and the right funding, you can achieve amazing things. You guys, I think the Pollination grant is incredible. And it is really a great opportunity for anyone looking to make a positive impact in the world. With funding ranging from $1,000 to $10,000 and no deadline to worry about, there is really no reason not to apply, you guys. Take that first step, please, today, and know who you are. You could be the next recipient of this life-changing grant. I'm taking a step. Hopefully, you're going to take a step. Guys, thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, and if you really want to support us, go to the comment section and give us a like. You give us something that you want to tell us about. And please, if you like, you can subscribe. If you like, you can forward it to other people for them to do application also. Please, see you in the next video.